This silicone utensil rest and spoon holder is a kitchen must-have. Heat-resistant and durable, it's designed to handle all your cooking tools, spatulas, tongs, ladles, and more. No more messy countertops or worrying about where to place your hot utensils. Simply set it down, and let the drip pad do its job, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to stains and sticky counters with this handy, heat-resistant holder. This wide-mouth versatile funnel is your new go-to kitchen helper. Designed for precision and ease, this funnel set includes 4 spouts of varying sizes and 2 strainers, perfect for filling different bottles, jars, and bags. Whether you're canning, baking, or making homemade sauces, it's built to handle all your cooking needs. Made from food-grade plastic, it's safe, durable, and super easy to clean. The blue design adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while its versatility makes every task a breeze. Get ready to funnel like a pro. This heavy-duty wall mount features 6 adjustable hooks on a 48-inch track, perfect for hanging garden tools, folding chairs, and more. Transform your garage with the Garage Storage Organizer. With a max load capacity of 450 pounds, it's designed to handle all your gear, keeping everything neatly organized and within reach. Whether you're storing tools, sports equipment, or outdoor furniture, this wall rack makes organizing easy and efficient. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a cleaner, more functional space. This blind cleaner tool makes cleaning your blinds and vents easier than ever. With its unique 7-finger design, it quickly and efficiently removes dust and dirt from every slab. Perfect for wood blinds, air conditioner vents, and even car vents, this tool gets into all those hard-to-reach spots without the mess. Compact, easy to use, and a total time saver, it's the perfect solution for a cleaner home. Keep your space fresh and dust-free with this must-have cleaning tool. This stand mixer attachment pasta roller and cutter set brings the joy of fresh pasta right to your kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this 3-piece set includes everything you need to roll out and cut your own pasta like a pro. Whether you're making fettuccine, spaghetti, or your favorite shapes, this attachment makes pasta making easy and fun. Attach it to your KitchenAid mixer and get rolling for perfect, homemade pasta every time. It's a must-have for any pasta lover. This 3-tier jug holder stores up to 5-gallon bottles like a boss. No more bottles rolling around the garage. Heavy-duty steel keeps it sturdy, while lockable casters let you roll it wherever hydration is needed. Bonus: a wood-top shelf for your coffee maker, snacks, kitchen, office, or garage. This stand's got your back in your bottles. This is your sink's new bestie. The Bubble Up is a brush and soap dispenser in one sleek, eco-friendly package. Just press, and boom, instant suds for tackling stuck-on messes. Its ceramic base keeps things classy, while the spring-loaded design keeps soap ready on tap. Small in size, big on clean vibes. A scrubber that's cute and gets the job done? Yes, please. This bottle brush set gives you everything you need to tackle bottle mess like a pro: silicone brush, nipple brush, straw brush, soap dispenser, drying rack, and more. It's compact, portable, and designed to clean smarter, not harder. Whether you're home or traveling, this set keeps baby gear spotless and stress levels low. This makes homemade baby food a breeze. The Mom Cozy Squeeze Station lets you fill pouches without the mess. Purees go in. A gentle press sends them right into the pouch. No spills, no stress. Great for toddlers, babies, or snack-loving adults, no judgment. Made BPA-free and dishwasher safe, because safe and simple should always be the standard. This rotary grater is about to be your new kitchen MVP. The Good Grips rotary grater takes the hassle out of grating cheese, chocolate, nuts, you name it. Just load it up, give the handle a smooth spin, and boom, restaurant-style toppings in seconds. It's got a comfy non-slip grip, works for both righties and lefties, and yes, it's totally dishwasher safe. Whether you're making a cozy pasta night or a fancy dessert spread, this grater keeps things easy, clean, and fun. Great things come in small, twisty packages. Where clever meets kitchen. This baby food maker is your ultimate kitchen helper. With its 5-in-1 design, it steams, blends, chops, grinds, and warms all in one sleek machine. Perfect for busy parents, the touchscreen control makes it easy to whip up nutritious meals for your little one with just a tap. No more worrying about the perfect puree. This baby food processor does it all, from steaming veggies to grinding fruits. With an auto cooking function, it's practically a set-it-and-forget-it system. Feed your baby healthy and homemade with zero hassle, because they deserve the best. This adorable monkey business hug Doug spoon saver isn't just cute, it's super practical too. Designed to hold your spoon and lift your lids, it keeps your kitchen mess free and organized. Made from silicone, it's perfect for standard-sized utensils, offering a safe and sturdy place to rest your spoon while you cook. No more drips or spills on your counters. Whether you're stirring up a storm or just need a quick break, this fun little kitchen helper does it all with a smile. Add a bit of flair to your kitchen with this must-have gadget. This nesting constrainer mini colander set is a must-have kitchen gadget. Perfect for draining cans, this compact set of silicone strainers fits inside each other for space-saving storage. Whether you're rinsing beans, vegetables, or fruits, these mini colanders make it quick and easy. The flexible, heat-resistant silicone design ensures you get a secure fit on any can size. Plus, with their vibrant red color, these strainers add a pop of fun to your kitchen while being practical. Multi-use, space-saving, and oh so handy. This set is your new kitchen BFF. This legging organizer for your closet is a game-changer. Designed to hold up to 20 pairs of leggings, it's the perfect space-saving solution for your closet. With its sturdy metal frame and 10 clips, you can easily organize your yoga pants, workout gear, or cozy leggings. The rubber-coated clips protect your clothes from damage while keeping them securely in place. Available in a sleek black design, this organizer will not only save you space but also keep your closet neat and tidy. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to a perfectly organized wardrobe. This needle threader seam ripper is your ultimate sewing sidekick. Combine two essential tools in one compact gadget. This upgraded 2024 version is perfect for hand sewing, crafting, and knitting projects. Its ergonomic grip and multifunctionality make threading and ripping easier than ever. A must-have for every DIY kit or sewing box. This replaceable wire cheese slicer features a built-in board with measuring grids for precision cuts. With adjustable wire tension, it's perfect for slicing block cheese with ease. Made of durable stainless steel and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Bring restaurant-level slicing to your kitchen counter. This adjustable mandolin slicer is your all-in-one slicing solution for fruits and veggies. Equipped with stainless steel blades and adjustable thickness for perfect cuts. From julienning potatoes to slicing tomatoes, this mandolin does it all. A kitchen pro's dream tool with safety and precision. This silk knife set gives you chef-level slicing power with stainless steel precision blades. Effortlessly shred green onions, garlic, or herbs in seconds. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.